Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hello, I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for 11/11, Veterans Day 2010. Let me tell you what, you talked about a nice day for a parade, a cloudless sky. Boy, it's nice out after a cold morning, a really comfortable afternoon, but the weather will change by early next week. Let's take a look out the window, some of the sky cam shots around the network. First off, coming from Clanton, Alabama. How about that blue sky? Not going to find a cloud there. Look at the Chehaw sky cam. You know, the fall foliage, no doubt, the colors have been muted this season because of the dry conditions we had back in August and September, but you'll find a few little good spots to see some fall color, and that's always one great spot up there. That's Alabama's highest mountain, south of Anniston. And that is a look at Legion Field in Birmingham, Alabama. We got some football tonight. Got a Thursday night special. The UAB Blazers will be hosting East Carolina out there. And that game kicks off at 7, and what a great night for a football game. Clear with temperatures falling through the 50s during that ball game. Just perfect for a little light jacket or a sweater. Here's the water vapor satellite shot. We've got ridging here across the southeast. Big trough out west. And look at the warm-up. You know, we started off the day, many spots were in the 30s. Tuscaloosa and Montgomery are pushing 80 this afternoon. Both of those cities at 79. Birmingham and Anniston, 77. Gadsden, 73. And around the nation, you can see we're kind of the warm spot. You go back off to the west, and you got that cold trough out in the Rockies where it's more like wintertime out there. And a very sharp cold front from near Chicago down to St. Louis and Oklahoma City. And that front will be easing in here this weekend, maybe kicking off a few showers on Sunday, but the big rain event holds off until early next week. And by golly, the QPF numbers are ramping up. All of a sudden got a 2.9-inch bullseye near Hamilton. This is valid through Tuesday morning at 7, so this takes into account that main rain event Monday and Monday night. The amounts taper off should go down to the south, and again, all along, we've talked about getting at least 1 inch of rain here. Maybe more. I'm not so sure we can get that much, but a 1-inch rain certainly looks very likely, and just maybe we'll see more than that. And it's a good kind of rain because we don't expect any severe weather issues. And that's amazing. This is, mid-November. Normally you see a major snowstorm, a severe weather deal, something, but the whole nation is quiet. Just a winter weather advisories out there in the Rockies, and that's about it. Let's check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Friday, at 500 millibars. Trough out west, and again, a part of that will be lifting up toward the Great Lakes. A part of it hangs back. And tomorrow should be just a gorgeous day. Really, our weather not changing much at all. And again, we're talking highs up there, mostly in the mid-70s. Both the NAM and the GFS are showing 75. Saturday will be a nice day. Partly to mostly sunny, the high closer to 70. You can see the band of showers off to the west. Could be raining Saturday afternoon, places like Memphis and Shreveport, but we think will be dry. There might be a shower in West Alabama by Saturday night, but I don't think it'll be a big issue for the Alabama football game, which is a home game Saturday night. And then Sunday, the cold front just kind of slowly drifts in here with a band of showers. So we'll mention widely scattered showers on Sunday, probably nothing more than that. And the rain should not be especially widespread. Then we go to Monday. The trough re-energizes, gets sacked together again, and look at the rain breaking out across the deep south. Looks like a good rain event on Monday. And again, you saw the QPF numbers coming up in response to that. But good old 1-inch rain, that would be fantastic. By Tuesday, the rain moves out. The surface low is south of Atlanta near Macon. And again, with the surface low tracking through the southern part of Alabama and Georgia, that would suggest no severe weather. Probably not much thunder, just mostly good old-fashioned rain. But it sure looks like the rain will be over early Tuesday. Wednesday, we clear up nicely, sunshine returning. Temperatures seasonally cool, highs in the 60s. And the same thing on Thursday of next week. Probably 60s during the day, 30s Thursday morning, maybe close to freezing. Let's go deeper in the month. Hey, Thanksgiving! Headed through the woods to Grandmama's house. That's the 25th, Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. If that is right, it's a strong zonal flow, and that's going to keep the really cold air, which you can clearly see is up there, up north. And there's the surface look. And the really cold stuff stays up near the Canadian border and points north. That's kind of suggesting maybe a few showers would break out here, but of course we don't know specifics. But the consistency and the idea of no bitterly cold air is good. So for Thanksgiving, at this moment, it looks like seasonal temperatures with, if that's right, some risk of a shower. And the end of the forecast on the 27th, look at that warm ridge over the Gulf nosing up in here. Big trough out west, and again, that might suggest a little wedge-type thing coming down from the east, but in terms of a bitter cold air outbreak, we don't see it there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.